Text: How to disable tap control in Beltone HearMax. Close-up of a cell phone open to the Beltone HearMax app, showing the blue home screen with a headshot icon and a circle with a top and bottom arrow labeled all around all in white. A finger taps a small headshot icon at the bottom labeled My Beltone, and it changes to a white screen with various sections of options. Near the top, there is a section called Hearing Aid, with 2 options. The finger taps the bottom option called Tap Control. The next page appears showing 2 sections to disable answering phone calls. Top section is for the right and the bottom for the left hearing aid. Each section has a slide button positioned to the right, with a blue background, signifying it is turned on to answer calls. The finger taps the top slide button to move it to the left. This changes the blue background to white and signifies the feature is turned off. This is also done to the bottom slide button, with the same results. The finger then taps an arrow icon at the top left of the screen, which goes back to the previous page. The previous page has a home icon at the bottom left of the screen. The finger hits the home button, going back to the original blue screen. Logo, Beltone. 2 icons are at the bottom of the screen. Download on the Apple App Store is on the left, and get it on Google Play is on the right. Text: Copyright 2023 GN Hearing A /S All rights reserved. Beltone is a trademark of GN Hearing A /S Apple. The Apple logo and iPhone are trademarks of Apple Incorporated, registered in the U.S. and other countries. App Store is a service mark of Apple Incorporated, registered in the U.S. and other countries. Google Play and the Google Play logo are trademarks of Google LLC.